How's it going? My name's Milo. I am the proud owner and founder of Milo's Motors, and today I'm here to give you a better understanding of who I am as a person and what my business looks like and how it functions. I am 22 years old. I have been in the automotive industry since I was 14 years old. I have worked at lube shops. I have worked as a head technician at a performance Harley shop for a couple years. While I was going through college, I graduated from Weber State University in December of 2024 with my advanced vehicle systems degree. That is a 4-year bachelor program that I completed early with high honor roll, magna cum laude. I will flex that because I worked very hard for it. And I know automotive. I am passionate about it. I have, like I said, I've been in it since I was 14. This is about the only thing that I do with my free time and with my main time, right? My working time is completely dedicated to automotive. Now, what about my business? Seems kind of strange, right? If you clicked on this from my Google business profile, you probably noticed that when you punch in my directions, it brings up a residential address. That is not a fluke. This is where I'm located. I am doing business out of my gracious parents' driveway, and I know how that seems, right? Oh, this guy's just a backyard mechanic. Oh, this guy's just doing it on the side. I don't know if I trust him. Like, what if he doesn't have the right tools or whatever? I'm here to put that to rest. I'm not a backyard mechanic. I'm a trained mechanic. I am a highly educated automotive technician, and this is my main pursuit. This is not a side hustle. This is not something to earn quick cash on the weekends. This is my baby. This is what I work on. I'm all about communication. I think that I am very different from other mechanics in that aspect. I am honest. I don't just mark parts to the sky to charge you an extra $50 for an oil change, right? Like, I don't take a $12 oil filter and sell it to you for $64 like some shops do, because I don't like that. It feels gross. Like, what are you're paying all that fluff for what? I don't need it. I don't need it. Where I make my money is doing good repair work, fixing real problems at a pace that some shops can't do. And with that, I like to keep my turnaround times very short. As far as scheduling and communication goes, I am really good at strategizing when you drop your vehicle off in relation to when parts will get here. Also in relation to when I have openings, so that I can get your car done as fast as possible so that you spend a very small amount of time without your vehicle. There are caveats. Bigger jobs will require multiple days and things can go sideways, and that extends the timeline, but that just kicks it back to communication. If that's the case, then I'm gonna let you know that, and I'm gonna show you proof of it. It's not just gonna be, hey, something went wrong, I can't really say anything, and it's gotta sit here for a week. That's not gonna happen. You're gonna know exactly what's going on with your car every day. Every day. You text me for an update, you call me for an update, I will tell you right where it is. Following that all the way through to completion of the job, I make sure to make notes on everything that I did to the vehicle. If it's a once over, I make note of everything. Even if it's good, I make note, yep, I checked this and it looks good. Yep, I checked this, probably needs serviced within the next couple thousand miles. So on and so forth. Essentially, I'm just gonna put enough notes down that you know exactly what I did to your car and I know what I did to your car, because that serves both of us. The no notes doesn't do me any good. It makes you frustrated because you don't even know what I did to your car. You don't know the ins and outs, the little notes, the little upcharges. Like, if there's a necessary upcharge, there's gonna be a note on it. It's not just gonna be shops where it's like, oh yeah, it's $50 more just because something. That's not how I operate. You're gonna know exactly what you're being charged for. End of story. With that, my shop rate is $70 an hour, and my mobile rate is $80 an hour, plus a gas and distance fee if you are far enough away from me. I don't go crazy with it. It's very reasonable, I think. And bringing it back to my shop being located at a residential address, I don't have a lot of space to store cars, so you can't just bring your car to me at any time. We do need to schedule it. You need to call me, text me, get a hold of me before you come to the shop location so that I can guarantee that I'm here and that I can safely receive your vehicle, and also so that that fits into my timeline. Because like I said, I like to keep turnaround times very short, make sure that I don't run out of space so that I can keep taking cars on. and I think it just works smoother for everybody like that. The only jobs that I really shy away from are older vehicles, specifically like 1990 and older, unless it's something special and cool that I would like to work on. Typically, I stay away from older vehicles, and vehicles requiring major teardown. So this is like transmission removal and overhaul. This is engine rebuilding, engine removal and replacement, stuff like that. I don't have the heavy equipment and the shop space necessary to make that worth it for me, like efficient for me. And I know that I can't do those jobs to the standard that I want to. It really requires a lot of space to be able to handle jobs like that. So for things like that, I would refer you elsewhere. But everything else, suspension, I got you. Electrical diagnosis, I got you. Computer reprogramming, I've got you. And I can assure you that it's going to be done right. I don't believe in quick fixes. I believe in the correct fixes. If it's in your budget, if it's in your timeline, if it's in my capability, then it's going to get done, because I want your vehicle to run the best that it can. I don't want you to be 3 hours down the road to St. George and on the side of the road because something that we had as a quick fix failed. Not doing it. I go all the way or not at all. So if you want to work with somebody that's cheap, quick, and so on, I'm not your guy. I am cheaper than other shops, but I don't cut any corners. There are no corners that will be cut. If anything, I will go above and beyond. For instance, the other day I was resealing a turbo, and while it was off, I noticed that another fitting was leaking oil. That was not planned on, but it was right there, so I replaced it. I didn't look at it and say, it's not in the scope of the job. That's not what I'm about. If I'm in there, I'm gonna fix everything. I'm gonna fix everything correctly. So what you can expect from me as a solo entrepreneur in the automotive field is that your car is gonna get fixed correctly, because I pride myself on that. Almost a little too much. You can count on me to be honest. I don't sleep better at night knowing that I charged you a little more than I should have. I don't sleep better at night knowing that I didn't fix something to the fullness that I am capable, to my full capability. I don't sleep better at night knowing that I kept you in the dark on a repair. It's not me. You're gonna know all of that. You're going to be a part of the repair process. You're gonna know exactly what was done. You're gonna know that I'm telling you the truth because I provide proof. I'm all about proof. And number 3, I'm passionate. I'm passionate as hell. My work hours are long, they're weird, but it's what I want to give. I'm willing to work my tail off to make sure that your car gets done on time. And again, correctly. I am not just surface level passionate about this, like I like cool cars. I'm passionate about this in the way that I want you to get exactly what you pay for. I want you to have a good experience. My passion is fed by how much I can make you trust mechanics again, because I know how it is. True automotive technicians are hard to come by. I want to be that pillar of support in the automotive realm for you. I don't want you to have to worry about, oh man, my car, it's acting funny, I'm gonna go have to shell out $2,000 to get this fixed because the dealership is the only person or the only people that I trust. It's not the case anymore. You got me. Next time your car needs repairs, I really hope you consider me. At least drop by and let me give you a quote. Let me take a look at the issue. I love just seeing different conditions and all the weird stuff that can go wrong with cars, so please don't be afraid to shoot me a text, shoot me a call. Whatever you need, I got you covered. I look forward to working with you in the future. If you're interested, you can stick around, subscribe. I do post automotive repair content. Haven't been the greatest about it within the past couple months. However, I do want to ramp it and get better at it. So join the journey. If not, thank you very much for watching all of this. I hope you have a better understanding of who I am as a person and what I stand for in my business. And I hope you have a great day. Peace!